Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Okinawa, Japan, and there's the fridge. Oh, and then there's another. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Okinawa, Japan, and I'm gonna show you what my day in Okinawa looks like. Just one of the day. This is day 1, and there'll be day 2 and 3 coming up soon, and maybe 4 and 5, depends on how I feel. Yeah, and so let's get into the Airbnb tour. So this is the main entrance, actually the only entrance. And the second you get in, you see the half bathroom. So you only have the shower and the bathtub. So this is what it looks like. And then there's a sink here. And then you see the bench to sit down and take off or and put your shoes on. And that's my bag. And then you see the first bedroom, which has 2 twin beds and the closet over here. Oh, this Airbnb has 7 beds and 2 bathrooms.
Wow.
And then after you come out of the bedroom, you see this really pretty kitchen. There's the fridge. Oh, and then there's another bedroom. So that's 2 twin beds and the closet over here. And the lights don't turn on, okay? So yeah, so there's a fridge here and a freezer, a sink, and lots of storage spaces. Stove, gas stove, and the laundry machines are here. Oh, and then microwaves and garbage. And then it's like really pretty because there's like a bar table, kind of, and very fashionable shelf. Really cute. So there's a plant here. So this is the living room. There's a plant here, some greenery, a sofa, the main dining table, and then the balcony. And then there's an extra bed here and a little decoration on the wall. The air con and the balcony. I'm not gonna go up because it's pretty cold. Very windy today. So there's gonna be a tornado. From the living room, there's another bedroom. This is like the 3rd bedroom, but this one has 2 probably double beds. Yeah, I called dibs on this bed, or actually that one, I don't mind, but this bedroom, cause it's bigger, and some things to hang the laundry and towel, and then this door connects to the balcony, and it's connected to the living room, and then there's the closet. Yeah. Oh, wait, but you can't use it because there's a lock. And then there's another bedroom, but it's for 1 person. And then there's a little desk. Where's the light? Okay. Yeah, here. There's a desk and a bed. So yeah, in total there's like 7 beds. And then from this bedroom, there's me. There's a washroom. And yeah, bathtub. This is what the kitchen looks like from a different angle from the living room. So right now it's 4:30, around 4:30 Japan time, and we're gonna go to the convenience store to get some food. So in Okinawa you have to wear masks in the building, like indoors, but you can take it off outside. So we arrived to the convenience store. Actually, we arrived to 7-Eleven. If you could tell, it's extremely windy here, like very. Home supplies and drinks and a photocopy machine, I'm pretty sure, and more drinks, and then more snacks, alcohol, ice packs, like instant noodle. I don't know what these are. actually drinks, cheese, and instant dinner. These are breakfast items. Well, actually could be snacks. They're just bread and some donuts. Yeah. It's really convenient. Japanese convenience stores are actually convenient stores. Some desserts and more dinner kind of food. And last time I came to Japan, I had this. It was so good. I couldn't stop it. It's delicious. And yeah, I love those. These are not sushi, but it's onigiri and ice creams. And then they sell hot food there. It's really good. My family decided to buy some desserts for tonight, so I got this. It's called midarashidan. It's like mochi kind of in this sweet sauce. So yeah, it's really good. You guys should try it. This is all the snacks. This is just like one aisle. Those are ice creams, more food. It's so good. Yeah, apparently the bedroom I chose is for my parents because it's like the ensuite bathroom and stuff. So we ended up choosing this bedroom. So, sorry for the fingers. This is where my sister will sleep and that's where I'm gonna sleep. And then I've opened the suitcase already, so yeah. But we're probably gonna alternate every night. So we're gonna sleep here tonight and then probably the other bedroom in the kitchen the day after. So this is kind of a small haul from 7-Eleven where we just went. So this is the dessert for tonight's dinner, after dinner, and breakfast bakeries, and a lot of snacks. I got this chocolate chips, random chocolate, squared chocolate, and yeah. And then I also got this snack in Japan that's shaped like ice cream but has chocolate on top. So yeah. All settled in on her iPad. It's almost dinner, but I'm hungry, so I'm eating this one. It's really yummy. It's like normal chips covered in chocolate. It's salty and sweet. This is where we're gonna eat dinner, and it just started raining. I don't know what this is, but it's food. Curly fries and normal French fries with ketchup or barbecue sauce, same thing. Is our seat, but on the other side. Okay, so orange juice for the drink, obviously. Let's see how many oranges I'll drink this trip. And my sister got ginger ale. They gave us a complimentary cabbage thing. I don't know, a rolled cabbage. And if you hear that, that's my sister trying to interrupt my video on purpose. So yeah, it's rolled cabbage and tomato sauce, I'm pretty sure. Got Caesar salad with this egg called onsen tamago, which is onsen egg. Yeah. So we just finished eating dinner. We ordered like 15 dishes, so much. I'm full, but we also bought dessert, remember, from the convenience store. So yeah, we're gonna eat that. And that's my sister dancing to green grass. So yeah, we're gonna film on her channel, I'm pretty sure, the green grass dance. So I'm gonna link that her channel and the video in the comments, so check that out.